You want to create more amazing AI kid videos? These videos are currently trending and very easy to make. Check this one.
Welcome to the cutest corner of the internet, the Baby Giggles podcast. Join our tiny hosts, a bubbly baby girl and a cheeky baby boy, as they babble, laugh, and explore the silly side of baby life. From funny sounds to baby top battles, it's pure giggle time. Tune in for smiles, fun, and baby joy in every episode.
First, go to the Google Play Store and download the DreamFace app. Once installed, open the app and click on AI image. Now I will create a character using AI image generation. I have already written a prompt, so copy and paste that prompt. Into the prompt box, one DreamFace AI and click on send. The app will take some time to generate 4 AI images. Once they have ready, choose one image from the 4 options. After selecting the image, click on lip sync. Then click on add script to continue. Then click on type and paste the script text from the voiceover. I have already written this script, but you can also write your own. Choose a child male voice for the character and then click on confirm. Now click on animate and it will take a few seconds to generate the video. Once the animation is complete, click on view later. Now we will generate a second character. Go back to AI image again and paste the second prompt which I have written in my notepad into prompt box. Then wait while it generates 4 new images. Choose one of these images and click on lip sync. Then click on add script to continue. Click on type and paste the second voiceover script. Also from my notepad or write your own. This time, choose a child female voice. Then click on confirm and then click on animate. Wait for the animation to finish. Go to your profile. Open the second video and download it. Now you have both videos. Open any video editing app such as CapCut, InShot or Canva and use the split screen or Canva feature to place both characters side by side to create a podcast style video. That's it. You have created complete and trendy AI kit video using DreamFace AI from start to finish.